All right, guys, here we go. It's Scott Jansen here. I'm very excited to announce our next upcoming 3-hour YouTube growth masterclass happening on the 17th of May via Zoom. This is specifically designed to start and grow and scale your YouTube channel for hypnotherapists, coaches, NLPs, therapists, could be even personal development experts. And in this 3-hour masterclass, I'm going to show you all the steps you need to take what could be a brand new channel into a thriving machine that'll get you high paid clients. Realize this, if you're brand new to YouTube, even with just a few subscribers, you can turn them into fans, into high paying clients in just a few steps. Realize this, where people go, money flows. Your specific type of clients in your niche are on YouTube right now. And this is why YouTube is one of the most effective platforms for you to build your hypnotherapy, coaching, and NLP business. You might be on Facebook, you might be on Instagram, you might be on TikTok, but if you're missing out on YouTube, this is the #1 growth platform that we teach all of our highest paid hypnotherapy students on the planet. And like I said, this is happening on the 17th of May via Zoom. Realize this. Have you ever asked yourself where is the actual easiest place to find clients for free? And by free, not paid ads, not paying for funnels, not giving away stuff for free. Where is the easiest place to find clients for free? Ready right now, guys, that are willing to pay your high prices? The answer is YouTube. If you could use YouTube to create authority, influence, and profits in your niche, how would your business change? I mean, YouTube is one of the easiest platforms to use. Well, allow me to show you how you can, even with just a very small audience, you can turn these people into high paying clients in just a few steps. And the best of all, you can automate this whole process and turn your channel into a money magnet. The point is really this, guys. When you have just a small number of true fans, that'll be on YouTube, who like what you do, you answer specific questions, and you call out to their specific pain, right there, you have the potential to have fun and generate incredible income from YouTube. So inside this masterclass, guys, let me go through all of this. And again, I'll leave the link below. You can check out all this stuff in details. Number one, I'm going to show you how to choose your niche and wake up excited every single day and create powerful channel that attracts clients, how to come up with high impact persuasion and addictive video content. Even if you don't know what your niche is yet, or you're really not sure what you're passionate about, this info will also break down in detail everything you need to know for your videos, all the things your channel needs, including other technical aspects of YouTube. So you can be absolutely brand new to this, guys. And I'm going to teach you from that level all the way up to very advanced strategies that help my company bring in millions of dollars just from YouTube and helped our students go from 0 to multiple 6 figures, some with just YouTube. Also, I'm going to show you my complete 7-figure schedule, video creation steps, my upload schedule, my TTD secrets to optimizing your video so they'll land on page 1 consistently. And realize this, guys, this is just about hypnotherapists, coaches, and NLPs, because you know that's all my background is. So I'm not going to show you generic stuff and generic video uploads and content and secrets that other marketers might not that might teach. This is all specifically designed for this audience right here. I'm also going to show you my sneaky method to outrank videos that are boosted with paid ads. And I laugh when I say this because I've done this so many times. I've personally done this and beat some of the biggest names in the hypnosis industry, and I'll show you how to do every step, and I do this absolute daily, guys. Also, my perfect and personal secrets to monetizing a hypnotherapy, coaching, and NLP YouTube channel, because that's all I know. And the only one that can show you this. Why? Because it's what I do with my personal channel each and every day, and it's from my background as a hypnotherapist. Going to show you what specifically your channel needs. Other marketers will not show you how to do because they don't know. Being a hypnotherapist, coach, and NLP, some really specific things need to happen with your channel to actually just even get subscribers, let alone actually get paid clients. I'll be showing you all those secrets. I'll be also showing you how to capture attention, have instant charisma on camera, even without being smart, entertaining, or even confident. You might have watched some of my videos and thought, wow, like there's some effort there, but it's not really entertaining. It's not really flash. He doesn't really do the half stuff. Time he doesn't even show his face. That is specifically for design because it gets paid clients. Also show the fastest and easiest way to grab your slice of this very high paying niche in less time than you think. And by your niche, it's how to take your niche and turn it into a niche based channel. Lastly, and there's so much more to this, guys, how you can create a real and lasting channel from your skill and gain outrageous profits so your business can thrive. Even the most boring of niches, I call this my niche gap secrets, and so on and so forth. The way I really summarize YouTube, and I tell all my students this, look at YouTube as your retirement strategy. As long as YouTube stays online, which it always will, your videos and your paid clients, even if you're selling an online course, which a lot of our students do, you can promote it through YouTube. YouTube could pay you for the rest of your life. But it's all about the setup, the scaling, the growth, and doing it properly, specifically as a hypnotherapist, coach, and NLP. It's very, very simple, guys. Just secure your seat with the link below. It's only $97 Australian. You'll also get the recording. We'll chuck in a whole bunch of bonus stuff that we normally do. Happening on the 17th of May via Zoom, guys, 7 a.m. Adelaide start time. And when I say 3 hours, some of our masterclasses might go up to 5 or 6 hours, depending on how many questions we have. But that's it, guys. I'm super excited about this. I wanted to teach YouTube for a long time. We tell all of our paid students who are in our programs YouTube growth, but this is really getting to the fine details and a lot of cool extra stuff I'm going to be showing you guys for the very first time. So guys, I look forward to seeing you in the class. Click on the link below. The spots will fill up very, very quickly. I'll see you in this masterclass. Thanks, guys.